Code reviews in GitLab are essential for maintaining code quality and collaborating effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing a code review. Create a merge request. Ensure the code changes are in a separate branch. Push the branch to GitLab, then navigate to your GitLab project. Go to Merge Requests and click New Merge Request. Select the source branch and target branch. Add the title, description, and assign reviewers. Review the merge request. Go to the merge request section and select the merge request you want to review. Review the code changes by examining the diffs and comments. Use the discussion tab to add comments or feedback directly on specific lines of code. You can also use the Commits tab to view individual commits and the Pipelines tab to check the build and test results. Approve or request changes. If the code is satisfactory, click Approve to signal that it's ready to be merged. If changes are needed, add comments requesting modifications. Reviewers can update the merge request as needed. Merge the request. Once the merge request is approved, click Merge to integrate the changes into the target branch.